What had happened is I needed a freaking camera for vlogging outside and doing all that type of stuff, and I didn't have one at the time. So this is the one that I decided to get. It's a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. You know what I mean? I heard a lot of good things about this online and whatnot. So we're going to do a quick unboxing. If you guys enjoy it, maybe we'll freaking do a follow-up on the unboxing. Get out the box. Pretty quick, you know. We got this bad boy right here. We got this right here. Let's see what's in here. I think this is like freaking bag it comes with and shit. Ugh. There you go. I think this is supposed to have everything that you need with this camcorder, webcam, my thingy thing. My bad about my fingernails. Oh, this is coming full package mode right here, man. Okay. Where do I start? All right, this right here, I guess this is the microphone, the portable microphone and whatnot up in here. All right, put this aside right here. I think this might be, let me see what the hell this is. This looks like the battery, the extra battery jump off. I'm gonna put this aside as well, you know what I mean? This right here looks like the freaking tripod, my tingy. Yeah, it's a little tripod, my thingy, you know? It's plastic, you know what I mean? But it's all good. It's hard plastic, so it's a plus one, you know what I mean? You know, plastic, screw it on type joint. All right. So far so good, you know what I mean? What's this? Oh, this is like the handle for the Osmo Pocket 3. You know what I mean? This is what it looks like. You know what I mean? So if you don't want to hold, I think the Osmo and freaking press buttons by mistake, I think you could add this clip on to the bottom of it. You know what I mean? And you don't have to do all that crazy stuff. You know? And here is the Osmo Pocket. I'm not even in the frame. Here is the Osmo Pocket 3. You know what I mean? A lot of people will be saying like once you turn it on, and a lot of times when you get freaking products like this and whatnot, they come with a little charge attached to it. Guys, like I'm gonna tell you, I don't know anything about gimbal freaking products or anything like that. This is gonna be my first gimbal type product. So if I sound like really freaking excited when I do freaking flip this screen and whatnot, it's because I have no idea what this bad boy could do, and I'm really impressed. Anyways, man, because like the weight is it's a good weight, you know what I mean? A lot of people were saying like it's fragile. I don't see the fragile part about it yet, you know what I mean? And they say it's a touchscreen as well, so we got to see this, you know what I mean? But anyways, we're gonna flip it open, see what the hell, and hopefully I'm praying there's no defects or anything like that, because I'm not the type of person that likes to return stuff, you know what I mean? It just I don't know. I need to be that type of person, but I don't like returning stuff, and I really wish I don't have to return this and whatnot. You know what I mean? Let's go. Let's see what the hell this is all about here. Okay, it got a little chargy. Okay. So far so good, you know what I mean? I heard if you tap on the screen, 3 times, it's gonna change position. Let me see what if it does it. Nah, it don't do nothing. So far, so good. So, like I said before, if you guys want me to do a full review of this Osmo Pocket 3 and whatnot, holla at your boy, and I'll hook you up. Look at this. This is. I like the way it feels. You know what I mean? The grippiness of it is really freaking on point. You know what I mean? So I definitely like that. You know. So holla at your boy, man. That being said, man. Leave me some comments and whatnot. Tell me what you think. Tell me if I don't know, man. Just holla at me in the comment section and whatnot. We'll take it from there. Box here, you know. Where's the thing at? I think this right here is a case for the Osmo. You know what I mean? Pocket. That's where the Osmo is supposed to live its life when you're not using it. You know what I mean? So let me take this jump off right quick. Get this junk off the freaking table. Yeah. You got that going over for it, you know? You know? I guess it goes in like this. Hopefully I get this right so I don't freaking injure the Osmo. This is how you're supposed to put it? I think that's how you're supposed to put it. I don't know. Hold up. Everybody's saying that junk is fragile. I don't want to mess around with something that's fragile like that. I think it's supposed to be like this. I don't know. Maybe? Jeez. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, man. Am I doing it the wrong way? Is it supposed to be like this? Is this supposed to be like this? I don't know. I don't know, broski. There's alien right here. We'll figure it out, guys. We'll figure it out. I think it's supposed to be like this. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like this. This makes all the sense in the world and whatnot. How it would be like this, I guess. I'm assuming, I don't know, guys. This hole in the freaking top is messing with me, though, man. I don't know what's this hole right here for. You know what I mean? I don't know. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, yep. I think I'm missing a couple of things that I didn't. Is there anything else in there? Ah, yes, I am missing some things. This is this over here is the freaking, what they call it, John? The thing that you're supposed to put on the edge so it doesn't fall off your hand while you're recording. Was it lasso? It's some kind of freaking string. You know what I mean? That you're supposed to put on the tip and whatnot. You know, right here and whatnot. So you know what I mean? When you're moving all about, and fall off your hands. And you got the little freaking the weatherproof. Ooh, this junk feel freaking like this junk feels like what they call that again? Rabbit's foot for the mic. You know what I mean? So it protected from the wind and all that type. Let me see what else I got here. I got this more. I'm like shocked that there's more. There's a charger up in here. It comes with a charger. You know, that's what's up, man. It comes with a charger cord and whatnot. It doesn't have like a brick or anything like that. Matter of fact, it does come with the brick because you could kind of say this is a brick and whatnot because it's an extra battery. You know what I mean? So that's what's up. You know what I mean? That's what's up. They hooking you up with everything in this combo meal right here. I said combo meal. They hooking you up with everything with this combo meal right here. You know what I mean? And you got the freaking magnetic, man. This is some good. They got this magnetic thingy. How would I get it off with this bad boy? That's what I be saying. Like sometimes I be seeing people do these freaking let me freaking I'm gonna have to do it up. No, 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 we got it. I was about to do the freaking bite way. I was gonna bite off, but now we don't need to do that. We might still need to. Damn, man. I mean, I'm still on that. Sometimes we got to bite. You know what I mean? Got the little magnetic grip. Let me see how that works. Boom. We operating on full rotation right there. You know what I mean? Tighten this right here. Boom. Wide screen, I think. Boop. Normal. Wide screen. Oh. What's going on? Oh. I got you, buddy. You know what I mean? Boom. We set. Put this back, and I think there's like a freaking spot in here to put it. If I'm not mistaken, is it over here or over here? I don't know. One of these two. You know what I mean? You can put it in there. Boom. Magnetic. You good money. You know what I mean? But I think you have to put it like this. Do you have to put it like that? Nope. You got to put it like this. You know what I mean? But anyways, man, that is it. You know, I'm gonna check you guys out next time on the next video, man. Like, subscribe, and freaking do what you do. I'll talk to you guys later, fam.